We're going to start with Chuck Crosby over at the Crosby Law Office. 89-year-old Thomas owns property in Oldham County and knows his property lines. Chuck, this is fascinating. At least he thought, he says in this email, that he knew the property lines. Thomas says he noticed his neighbor had stored a car on the corner of his lot. And when Thomas saw the neighbor and asked him, I don't think he brought over a cake or anything. He just asked him, "Hey, what's the car doing on there?" And the neighbor says, "It's been there for more than 10 years. And he says, now I don't have to remove it." So is that true, Chuck?
No.
We're Thomas. Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
not exactly. First
Okay.
off, just because you store something there doesn't mean you own the land. If he's suggesting that it's adverse possession, everybody's got a weird view of that.
Yeah.
It's open, continuous, exclusive, adverse, and notorious possession for the statute of limitations, a period of which in Kentucky is 15 years. So even if he was doing everything, then, he's still got 5 years to go. The big thing is, just because your car's there, if I don't know that you're on my land, well, it's not really notorious now, is it? You basically, just the general rule of thumb is you put up a fence and you put cows on it. For 15 years, and then you've got a good argument. If you've got a car stored and you've got a couple wheels onto my property, it doesn't give you my property. And why is he just now bothered if the car's been there for 10 years?
He may not have seen it. The guy is a little on the older side, and maybe 89. He may not have been looking at outside the backyard.
10 years. I mean, that's.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's kind of difficult, but the idea is no, that doesn't give you ownership of the land just because you have stuff stored on it.
Yeah. So that hopefully, Thomas, that helps you a lot.
And if you want to get rid of it, call an attorney and or the local towing department.
Yes. And we'll give you Chuck's number in just a few minutes.